5 and other games. Why this error happens. Missing file privileges usually appears in Steam, Epic Games Launcher. Common causes: no admin permissions, antivirus blocking files, corrupted download cache, another app using the file, disk write permission issues. 100% working fixes. Method 1. Run launcher as administrator. 1. Close launcher. 2. Right-click, Steam, Epic Games Launcher. 3. Click Run as administrator. Fixes permission issues instantly. Method 2. Clear download cache, Steam. 1. Open Steam. 2. Go to Settings, Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache, restart Steam, and fixes stuck installs. Hack Method 3. Disable antivirus. Add exception. Antivirus often blocks game files. Temporarily disable or add exception for GTA 5 folder, Steam Epic folders. Method 4. Check folder permissions. 1. Go to Game Install folder. 2. Right-click Properties, Security. 3. Ensure your user has full control. Method 5. End conflicting processes. 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-S key. 2. End tasks like Steam Web Helper, Epic Processes, any installer. File may be in use. Method 6. Repair library folder, Steam. 1. Settings, Downloads. 2. Steam library folders. 3. Click Repair folder. Method 7. Change install location. Install game in a different drive. Example, CD fixes disk permission conflicts. Method 8. Disable controlled folder access, Windows. Windows security can block installs. 1. Open Windows security. 2. Virus and threat protection. 3. Manage ransomware protection. 4. Turn off controlled folder access. Advanced fix: if nothing works, reinstall Steam or Epic Games Launcher, run command prompt as admin. You can see the code in our conversation history. Quick fix summary: run as admin, clear cache, disable antivirus, fix permissions. NARP SEO title ideas: fix missing file privilege.